So I'm going to be doing a comparison of balisong versus a normal knife. Okay, this is the inspection. Alright, this looks kind of cool, but I should give it a 9 out of 10. And this is the attacker. And this is the damage one. Like the knife, backstab. What the heck? Alright. This one's kinda good. Okay, the next one is going to be stop. Okay, the next one is going to be the normal knife. So let's use my hand. I'm pressing it right now. Why did that goes in my face? Okay. None. Let's put it in none. Okay, none. Do you guys know Tiny Dude? Tiny Dude or Mini Blocks? I think it's Tiny Dude. Yeah, Tiny Dude got the what? What do you say for it? Oh yeah, Tiny Dude got the armature knife and the glass shot. Okay, so this is the inspect. Inspect animation is kind of made. I know the. Oh yeah, it's here. And this is the backstab. This is the attack. And attacks on somebody, it's the same. So, what do you think?